Let's start. The project name is Recyclerview Swipe to Delete. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and an adapter class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity, and a row_item.xml file, which defines the layout of the Recyclerview. Let's see the UI. Here we have the Recyclerview. The height and width of the Recyclerview match the parent. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the Recyclerview. In the row_item.xml file, we have a text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class, with a string variable name as the data member. This name variable will be shown in each row of the Recyclerview. These are the imports. This is my adapter class. These are the data members, which contain an array list of the model class type. This is the constructor. In the onCreateViewHolder function, we inflate the row_item.xml file, and pass the view into the viewholder class. In the bindViewHolder function, we fetch the data from the model class, one by one, and show it in the text view. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the Recyclerview. This is the viewholder class. These are the data members of the class. In the constructor, we set the onClickListener of the row. So when a row of the Recyclerview is clicked, we show its name in a toast. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. Here we have an array list of the model class type, and an array of strings, which we will use to fill the Recyclerview data. In the getData function, we fetch the data from the array, and put it inside the array list, as a Recyclerview needs the data in array list format. In the onCreate function, we have created an object of my adapter class, and passed the array list data in it, using the getData function. Then we set the layout of the Recyclerview as linear. There are several types such as linear, horizontal, staggered, etc. Then we set the item animator and item decoration attributes of the Recyclerview. Then, we set the adapter object into our Recyclerview. And finally, we call the setSwipeToDelete function. In this function, we create an instance of ItemTouchHelper class. It has callback methods like onMove and onSwiped. Inside the callback, we set the swipe direction to the left. We keep the onMove function as it is. In the onSwipe function, we remove that element from the array list which is swiped by the user, and then update the Recyclerview adapter. Also, we show a snack bar, which gives the user an option to undo the swipe action, and add that deleted item in the Recyclerview again. And finally, we attach this ItemTouchHelper instance to the Recyclerview. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I swipe an element to the left, that element gets removed from the Recyclerview. And if I click the undo button on the snack bar, the deleted element gets added to the Recyclerview again. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Recyclerview swipe to delete function in Java Android. Thanks for watching.